G'day guys, Vikra here, hope everybody's doing well. These are thumbstick for Xbox One S consoles, and they're pretty good. They're one of my favorite joysticks. I got a big knurling all the way around, and a pretty deep dish. I like them. But after a little while, they start looking like this, with no knurling, which gets slippery, and then the top becomes flat, so you can't hook your thumb in it. Pretty worn out. Comparison. So I want something that lasts. So I got these one. They're in aluminum, so they will last much longer. Thing is, I don't really like the shape. The dish is not pretty deep, and the sides not that grippy. So we're gonna fix that and make this. These are the first one that I made. Not perfect, but they do just fine. Here's the first problem is these things are a bit sloppy on the joysticks, on the actual joystick themselves, so we gotta tighten up, otherwise it's gonna get sloppy and imprecise really quick. Here goes the super glue. We're just gonna dab a little bit of super glue in there and take up the extra space. And since super glue doesn't dry too fast, we're gonna accelerate it with baking soda. There you go. This will take a lot of space. So basically right now they're unusable. You'll never get them on top of the joysticks. But with careful filing and scratching it up just enough and double checking every step of the way, you're gonna get a pretty decent fit, which is tight and not wobbly. There, nice tight fit. A little bit of double checking, and yep, they don't rub, they're perfect. So nice tight joystick that won't wear as fast as the original ones. So this is how it looks on a Xbox One S, and it can also be done on the 360 controller. The only thing, you gotta put a piece of wire just to space them out, otherwise they're gonna bottom out too far. Otherwise it's perfectly fine once you put a little piece. I use a piece of 12 gauge wire, solid wire like house wiring, and I just trim it until I get it exactly at the same spot, and it gives me a very deep dish. Very nice feeling Xbox 360 controller. Thanks for watching.